The island of Cunda, sometimes referred to as Alibey Island, was known to the Greeks as Monschonisia, the perfumed island. Today, Cunda Island is a popular tourist destination with its old Greek-style houses, boutique hotels and fine restaurants. The seafront promenade is the perfect place for an evening stroll, and the gift shop markets are popular with souvenir seekers. In 2011 we passed through here and took some photos of a dilapidated building which lay neglected and damaged by earthquakes, and which would have been a Greek Orthodox church. These are the photos you see here. In 2012 this building had the good fortune to attract the attention of Rahmi Koç, one of Turkey's most successful businessmen, and due to his leasing the building for 49 years and fully restoring it to its original glory, it opened as a museum in 2014. If you visit Cunda Island, be sure to visit the Taksiyarhis Museum. You can find out more about this at www.rmk-museum.org.tr, a website which is both in Turkish and English.
Tamam mısınız?
Biz mi? Ayvalık'ta oturuyoruz. Evet.
Ya şaka yapıyorsun.
Cunda Island has a typical Aegean resort feel about it. It's easy to get there from Ayvalık by bus or by ferry services. There are frequent bus and ferry services to Cunda Island from the town centre of Ayvalık. If you found this video useful, please give us a heads up and click on the like button, or subscribe for future videos.